Hello students, myself Professor Sudhir Kumar Tewatia. So I am teaching you mathematics for IIT JEE Advanced. So this is the PYQ previous year question. This says the product of all positive real values of x satisfying the equation x raised to power 16 log x to the base then cube minus 68 log x to the base 5 then is equal to 5 raised to power 16 is. So the expression looks to be a bit complex and frightening, but it is very simple numerical, just checking your basic concepts. So, and this is my advice to all the students while preparing for mathematics JEE Advanced. Do not leave any chapter. Do not make a choice that this chapter is very difficult, so I'll be dependent on other chapters. Wholly and solely do not leave any chapter. You might find something very easy like this numerical. So this numerical looking like this expression is very basic, and the concepts in this that is being checked, that the product of all positive real values of x, all positive real values of x means roots of this equation, the values of x. So roots of this equation, product of all the roots. So this is the sum of the roots of polygon ax raised to power n plus bx raised to power n minus 1 plus cx raised to power n minus 2, like this up to ex raised to power 0 in the last is equal to 0. So sum of the roots of this equation, it is well known that it is minus b by a, and the product of roots of this is plus e by a. Number one concept. Second is log of m to the base m. That means log of any number to the base of same number is 1. Third is log of 1 to any base, whether it is e, whether it is 10, or whether it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever, that is 0. So these three basic concepts that are well known to any student are being checked here. One should not get frightened by this equation. And this also everybody knows, that log x to the power n raised to the power n to the base m is equal to, this comes in the product n into log x to the base m. So these are simple formulae, just apply here. Take the logarithm of both the sides. If we take logarithm of both the sides, so it comes 16 log x to the base 5 cube, this and this side minus 16 this log 5 to the base 5, because we are taking log to the base 5 for all. Why we are taking log to the base 5? Why not log natural logarithm log to the base e? Why not log to the base 10? Because here in question it is giving log x to the base log x to the base 5, log x to the base 5. So that's why we have taken logarithm of all this side and this side to the base 5. So we are getting this expression, this power comes here n into log x like this to the base 5, and this side minus 16 log 5 to the base 5, because log both side is to the base 5. I am stressing this fact again and again, to the base 5. So what is this? Log 5 to the base 5, log m to the base m, 1. So this is minus 16. What is this? Log x this side and this inside expression. So log x to the base 5 is multiplied by this cube, and this log x to the base to the 5. So it looks to be a polynomial of log x to the base 5. We put this value, log x to the base 5 is equal to t. So this equation reduces to 4t raised to power t minus 17t square plus 4 equal to 0. What is the coefficient a here of this polynomial, a into x raised to power n, that is 4. What is b x raised to power n minus 1? That means coefficient of t cube. Here no term of t cube is there. That means this coefficient of t cube is 0. I can write this equation like this. So roots of this equation, t1 plus t2 plus t3 plus t4 is equal to minus b by a. B is 0. So sum of the roots is 0. And what is t1 plus t2 t3? That is log x1 to the base 5 log x2 to the base 5 plus this plus this plus this 0. Then summation of this log is log of x1, x2, x3, x4 to the base 5. All this expression product is equal to, we can write this 0 as this identity, log 1 to the base m. So 0 is log 1 to the base 5 here. So cancelling log both the sides. So we get x1 into x2 into x3 into x4 equal to 1. That is the product of the roots of this equation. So that's all. Thank you.